How do successful B2C businesses remain abreast with new technology and products to keep the customer happy and improve market share? As a B2C OEM SME, it can sometimes feel like you are stuck in a rut. Maybe your technology hasn't evolved in years, or you're always behind when spotting the next product feature that customers want. On top of that, you might not have a team fully equipped with the latest skills or the right know-how to leverage trends in your industry. The good news: there's a clear path forward if you put the right framework in place. The S.P.R.I.N.G framework aims to guide you step by step, ensuring you continually improve your offerings, stay updated with trends, and successfully differentiate from competitors. S.P.R.I.N.G stands for Scan, Partner, Reinvent, Invest, Nurture, Grow. Wait, are you sure you're exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at how Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.